Good morning, guys. We'll get started in a few minutes. Just sending out the link. Anyone in the Discord jump in this one? China players are all moving, by the way. That's why everything's running. Do, 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 do. What up, guys? What up, what up? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I was having lunch. Oh, shit. All good, bro. All good, all good. Watch this MLGO $34 break. Big level here. I think it's going to do a madness again today. Just be careful, though. I'll be taking a lot of shares on this play. So $34 break, candle close above. You can look for entries. ADVM, CCTG. This is your big resistance here. 823 is your resistance level on it. Yeah, I'm in Discord also. Lovely Don, bro. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Welcome, 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 welcome. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Market's moving nice this morning. I think because saw this China news. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't really look into it, but it looks very good. HKit. This one was pretty insane. So all you do here is just do 775. Mark that as the high. So 775 there. So just mark that as a high. Then you can do 835. And then 975. Right, here's the levels on this. Here's the levels on this one. So these are what you need. Bullish pennant on this as well, but you can see the candle sizes. Notice the candles from here to here is a lot smaller, right? Showing a lack of volume. However, it is still bullish in an uptrend in a bullish pennant here. So we'll see what does happen. Roma. All I'm waiting for, Roma, guys, it's very simple on this. I'm just waiting for 150 break. That's all. I'm not going to be jumping in now because I don't know what will happen. I have to wait for confirmation. I have to wait. If I don't get confirmation, then I won't enter. So I'm waiting, right, for 150. If I get 150, then I'll look for an entry. MLGO is breaking this downtrend line. So this would have been your entry here. So if anyone is in here, this is your entry. So if you enter here, right, you have all the way to $1 next is your next level. SXTC, this is my level on this 447. Waiting for 447 break. But we can simply just draw the trend. We identify that's an uptrend, so we will do that. We can go through here a bit. Like that. So that's what we have for this. So at the moment, we're just waiting to see what this does. Waiting for 447. It's too close here. Keeps rejecting it, so I'll wait. Is it going to get to 5? I have no idea, brother. If I knew it was going to 5, I would be full porting the play right now and I'd be in. I have no idea. If it breaks 447, then we can keep going, but I don't know if it's going to go to 5. It's up 119%. You can expect it to continue, but to $5, I have no idea. I wish I knew so I could tell you guys. I own TCBP at $2. TCBP at $2. So you are down 50%. Do you not have a stop loss? I suggest using stop losses. Wedgie. So look, if I'm faced with this kind of play, right, all I do is just mark the high. The same thing what I mentioned yesterday. I mark the high, so we can just write 375. Choose any color you want. I will use purple, and then the bottom one, I'll just use orange. So this is your support. 246, I'll just round it down to 245. And then from there, we don't really know what's going on. Okay, yeah, we can identify the trend. I guess we're in a downtrend. But look at these candles here, right? This is a lack of volume. Therefore, we don't enter these trades at all. We need to wait for 375. Then we can look for possible entries. If we don't get 375, then we do not do anything. We just leave it here. So I'm just going to have wedgie here. I'm not really interested in it. Lays, I like this setup a lot. Very bullish chart. If we're looking on the larger time frame, Right, just looking left, we have 385 next. So we can see, look, 385 was a previous resistance. It's rejected it again. That means we're only looking for a buy if we can get a closure above this 385. Then you can look for entries. Oh, you held it overnight or something? Oh, damn. Yeah, I mean, I personally don't hold plays overnight. I'm literally in plays for maybe 5-10 minutes, maybe maximum like 30 an hour. But yeah, I day trade and scalp. I don't swing trade and hold plays overnight. I don't know what's going to happen. News, events, anything can happen. So yeah, just can't sleep at night, to be honest. So that's why I just day trade. It works best for me. W&W, I have some lotto shares at 157 on this. Let's see what it does do. My stop loss is way down here though. But yeah, if it breaks 172, we can go, look here, 172, then we can literally go up to 260. So I'm just in this in case it breaks, that's all. What's up, share, bro? What up, what up? Sub Hardy, what up, what up, what up? CCTG. CCTG, CCT. Yeah, CCTG's here, look. So this was an entry here on the trendline break, but safe entries are above 823. And then just mark, we could put this as a demand zone around here, like this zone. Hassie's done a demand zone video on the YouTube, so you can watch that as well, demand zone. I simply just use the last red candle and like the range for the last, basically that is my demand zone. If it breaks below this, then I look for the next one, which is around here, next one below, and so on, right? So this is what I have on CCTG. I'm waiting for 823 next. Bets. Yeah, Bets is a big watch as well. A lot of people are watching this. Bets is a larger time frame. So the 4 hour look here, this is your 4 hour time frame. So we're still bearish, but you need trendline break, like 385 level, but safe entries are above this 425. 425, you get 425, that'll be okay. But yeah, obviously it's up 76% right now though. We'll watch this. I'll probably alert it today. I can exciting days with killer guidance. What up, bro? What up? What up? SMX. I have it on my watch list actually. SMX looks very nice. What time frame did I have this on for the watch list? Let me have a look. SMX 15 minutes. So I had it like this. So it's in a bullish chart pattern. I'm expecting price to break out. Okay, so that means that safe entries are above 0.45. That's a psychological level. But at the moment, we are pushing up. We're still in this. I know we have come down here, but as long as we hold this, we're fine. If we go below 3, 2, 1, then I would just ignore it. HKIT is insane. I know. I literally gave the levels perfectly today in the Discord. It was really nice. Yeah, we mentioned it around here. This is where I got in. It didn't come down to demand zone, but since it was holding support, I was like, all right, I'll go in. Let me do a new demand zone. Let's do around here. This could be my new demand zone. So we broke that. I don't really care. These are your levels though. You can have this as your demand actually here as well. Demand zone. Demand zone. So demand zone, last red candle before the push, and that's what you have. HKIT is solid though. Very nice setup. What about UCAR? I'm looking at UCAR more on technical basis. I don't really like the stock in general because it's got a lot of people in Twitter, stock tweets, Reddit, all that, like pumping it. So in my opinion, I don't know, it's just very difficult. You have to play short term with this scalps. You have to wait for a closure above 0.105. Why that level? Because it's resistance here, that's all. Don't want to be trading, but we have this. Ascending triangle, so this is a bullish chart pattern, expecting price to break out of this. So higher risk entries, if you enter here, there's no problem with it. Keep max 7% stop loss. That's what I would do. I'm personally not entering it, but that's what you have for UCAR. Expecting a breakout though. 0.105, 0.105. Oops. All right, here. So this is an ascending triangle, expecting price to break out of this, right? Oops. Here's your UCAR chart. UCAR expecting breakout. STI. Did this run yesterday or something, didn't it? Or what? Oh no, down. It's down 16% yesterday and down 14% today. I would not be touching this thing at all. Leave it alone. Leave this alone. Let it bleed. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. What's my biggest win? I don't know what my biggest win is. I had like a thing like 500% on Mark during COVID days. What's the demand zone? What's a demand zone? It's just like an area of support, and supply is like resistance, but it's just usually where there's a strong area of support, so plays will kind of come back into that. I don't know, in Forex and that they say it's like liquidity grab or whatever the hell they say, but I don't believe in that stuff. I'm just more focused on the technical aspects in terms of like key support level. It's just like a support level. It's just like a range in a simple term. Peggy and ASST. Peggy. Peggy is down 31% yesterday and 12% today. That means it's bearish. That means you should not be watching this at all. Very easy answer on that. ASST is very low volume. Could be in this demand zone here on the 4 hour. Yeah, but you want it inside here at the moment, but it's very, very low volume. Wimmy asked you about this yesterday. Oh yeah, you did. I remember actually. I traded this morning and I got stopped out and that ran. Look, it came down to here. My stop loss was 0.95, and then as soon as that came, it was doing this. Look, I had a falling wedge like this. Oh no, it was over here. I had it. It was like this, the falling wedge. It literally came down to here, stopped me out, and then it ran. I was in at like $1 or something. Can't remember. Kit. H kit. Nothing on this, bro. Needs to break the high. We have to wait. We have to wait. TCBP. I think I just went over TCBP. TCBP is just this level here. Just mark this resistance, or you can just wait for the high of this 112 break, then maybe entries, but it's too low volume for me. TCBP, MLGO. This was a very, very nice move. Some people in the Discord got in this quick. MLGO is coming down again. Let's edit this up a bit. So what I have on MLGO, nothing at the moment. It looks good though. It still looks nice. SECO, SECO. SECO, nothing on this, to be honest with you. There's no clear levels. The only thing I would say is you need to break above this 0.5. Do like here, 0.55. It's a psychological level. You can wait for closure above this 0.55, but at the moment it keeps rejecting here. So closure above, then you should be fine. Hollow, 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 hollow. Hollow, you need this to close above. Here, look at this. Could be possible entries here. It's very strong bullish candle here. Huge bullish engulfing candle. Should go. Is there VWAP in the way? It's above VWAP. Yeah, this is looking very bullish. I'm expecting this to run. Expecting this to run. Winnie entries. Winnie or Wimmy? Wimmy. This is what you have on Wimmy. Here's your uptrend. If you're in now, your target is 124, 123. That's what it is. Roma. Where is that play? It's over here somewhere. Roma is simple. I'm just waiting for this chart. I'm waiting for 150 break. I'm not entering anytime sooner or later. 150 break and I'll be looking for entries. Big resistance level here. ATXI. ATXI, former runner. You could wait for the trend line break on this. On ATXI. This is your resistance though here. See this blue candle here? This is your resistance. What's the plan with CZ? Sorry if you already mentioned, I missed a few minutes ago. What's the plan with it? The plan is that, I mean, we're just chilling right now. This was an entry here and then break above. I didn't get in, I was setting up the stream. I know Elmo did though, and someone else did as well. But yeah, I mean, just mark this level here, 8.23. If it can get a close above that, then maybe you can look for entries. At the moment, it's kind of just, it's just higher risk entries here, that's all. You could try it if you want. It's in a falling wedge. Like this. So yeah, that's what I have. It's just higher risk. I mean, you could take small size and try and trade this now. But it's just a cat. Look at this. You know, when I give alerts and that kind of thing, like these kind of plays, it's very difficult. Look at the range on this candle. That's a 7% move on that candle. That is what? 5%. This whole candle here is 12%. So these kind of candles here are on a range that I can't trade this kind of play for alert's sake, because 3% moves, you guys know, are way too much. With those kind of plays, I just keep it 3% on my stop loss. Hollow, let's reclaim this again. See what it does do here. Guys, people ask me the silliest questions on Twitter. It says, when do you think it will, it says, where do you think it will go when the market opens? I have no idea. Guys, people ask me what price a stock will go to in this. Guys, I have no idea, okay? I share charts of the levels and prices that I expect the play to break out of. I don't know what price a stock will go to. If I knew what stock the price would go to, I would be a gazillionaire. Everyone would be, right? Oh, SXTC. I saw you guys ask me about that one. It's over here, MLGO. SXTC is here, 4 point. Right now, it's, I mean, you could say it's in a falling wedge, right? You can maybe try and take entries here because it's bullish and it's bullish and in a falling wedge, but safety is about 447. But this is what you have. Let's see the candles in this though. Oh no, candle, yeah, look, see the size of these candles? Like that's a 6% move. This right here is a, what, 12% move. So yeah, it's very difficult on this. What about MCAF? MCAF. Oops. MCAF has 0 volume. Mountain Crest. I would avoid this play. RTC, that's a new one. Or is this a former runner? RTC sounds familiar. Never mind. RTC is not not kind of set up for me. I don't know. Is this China play? Bai Juan? Yeah, this is a China play. I mean, yeah, it's a China play, so who knows what this thing can do. I'll put this on Twitter for you. I think it's a China play, right? Can you let me know about this one? RTC. Possible mover today. This is a possible mover today just because of China. I mean, it looks Chinese. I don't know the name. Deleted message, deleted or retraced. Tiger can hit yeah, I can hit 1,000,000% today. It's going to the moon. Full port. You can try win me here if you want, bro. For me, I don't know. It's like in a no man's range. I'd rather like it here or I'd like a break above, but yeah, you know the deal. Max 7% stop loss. It is trying to play, yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, you can watch RTC then. Doesn't look like it's moving yet. Keyword yet. MDAI. Sidio, and thank you for your help. No worries, Chris. I'll go over it now. MDAI. I mean, what's the daily on this? Just very bearish on MDAI. I know people have this as a long-term play. I don't know about the AI sector anymore. Is this AI sector? MDAI spectral? Yeah, I think it is. 2:30 break. You can watch that. 2:30 break. 2:30 break. TC only. Sidio. I need to look at Sidio. I'll go over these couple plays and then get ahead into Discord. People on Twitter are too funny, man. Sidio. Sidio does not look good, brother. It is in a strong downtrend. So go on the 4 hour and then just mark it like this, downtrend. If you get a break above like 240, then yeah. But at the moment, down. Which one should you invest today? Derek, I don't know, brother. I have no idea. I don't know. I'm in hollow at 33, 60, 50% size. Where's this? What is it at? Bro, this thing is crazy volatile. Look at this thing. This is weird. I don't know what's going on with that thing. Expect it to go already, but let's see what it does do. GGE. This ran the other day. Oh, GGE. GGE is actually moving up right now as we speak. This is your level here, 0.358. Here. Still have this marked. You get a closure above this. Even this high, what is this? 3. Thing's 3 cents. 3 cents, bro. Up to you what you decide. Foxo or follow. I don't know anything about, are they sympathies or what? Foxo's down 3%. I'm not too familiar with this sector. I know the main ones like EV, weed, like the meme stocks and some of the China plays in that, but for this, I don't know. It's in a bullish pennant, so we'll see what it does do. Bets. Let me see. Bets. Bets is moving. You're right. Trend line here. Look, 4 hour. 425. 425 next, and 5. Then bets round 2. Guys, ask for one chart at a time. I can't give 100 charts. to post. Bought 30k shares of RTC. Make sure you got a stop loss, brother. Make sure you got a stop loss. MLGO's coming down. SXTC, it's going up. Did anyone get in here? Wimmy? Wimmy looks good. I mean, it's above VWAP. It should keep going. You just have to 125. And if you got in around now to here, it's a 10% move. W&W, I am in this trade at 157. My stop loss is way down here though, like 130. Can you take a look at GLT? GLT. I think I traded this yesterday, didn't I? GLT, it's on the watch list. 270 for GLT. That's what I'm waiting for. So 270 because that was pretty much intraday's high. Yesterday's high was $3 though, but yeah, this is what I have. So at the moment, it's kind of just doing its thing. Guys, on Monday, I'm going to do a YouTube stream, but I'm going to just share ideas for the first 30 minutes and see how it goes on YouTube. But Discord, it'll be alerts and entries. You guys will know when I get in, but just see how it goes on YouTube. See if we get more people in. If you guys can also do me a favor and like up the stream and subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe. Can you look at GLT? I think I just did. IGPK. What is this? IGPK has no after hours, so I don't know what's going on. We play... just simply playing the trend, bruh. Simply playing the trend. That's it. Trend. Every time it gets here, up. What's happened to Hollow? Yeah, look at this candle. Did you manage to sell some? Who got in this? Leandro, did you sell some up here or not? Or around here? What did you get in at? 33.60. 33.60. Up 7%. I mean, if you put a sell limit, maybe it'll execute. I don't know if it did. How do you get in the anime and Weeble? It's not my option on my 9 EMA on Weeble. So you go like this. So you go to the indicators here, click it. Then you can go down here, indicators, and select EMA. So I'll select it. And then it will be over here. So you click this I thing. Then you can go to this thing here. That's just to see it on and off. Click this here. And then this will be EMA. Then you go to length and type in the length you want. So the time, I use 9 EMA, 50 EMA, whatever you want. And then go to style. Then you can see the style number, and then that's it. I have the setup. If you go through, if you go through our YouTube, there's my Weeble setup as well. You can have a look. I literally break it down for you. SYRA. Why is everyone spamming SYRA? What's going on with this thing? SYRA. Ooh, SYRA is running. That's why. Okay, add to the watch list. This thing's up 500%. What is this news? This thing here cancel. What? SYRA announces federal contracted $75 billion. Goddamn. Hollow went down before it went, but no worries. For info on GIGK, potential genre play. Oh, thanks, bro. Thanks, Edgar. It went down. Yeah, I mean, this thing's... Yeah, Hollow's just like crazy. Look at that. I don't know, these wicks. Kind of wicks are crazy. Wait, but you got in at 33.60, right? $33.60. It only went down 4%. It's okay, at least you manage your risk, that's all that matters. It's fine. Yeah, SYRA is gonna be pumped all day today. Be careful of this play. I will not be touching it at all, but it can go pretty crazy. I'm just gonna put this here. Lays in demand zone. Just gonna take this off for now. Lays was been very nice the last couple of days. W and W. This thing needs to hold 130. Wimmy. Now it's on this trend line. Let's see what it does do. SXTC's come down. MLGO. Wait, wasn't there news today at 30? MLGO, yeah. MLGO needs to hold 0.8, guys. Roma, this one I'm waiting for 150. That's it. Nothing in between. HKIT is coming into demand zone. This is what you want. This is what you want. This is setting up for a run in the at open. Right, I'll mention it to you guys. What's this HKIT? Setting up into open. Why is Syria so volatile? It just had news, bro. It just had news. It had news. Announces partnership with a federal contract valued at $75 billion. Oh yeah, 3%. Yeah. One thing, Leandro, what I would do is, that's why when I trade pre-market, I trade 10% of my account and then 7% stop loss. That's what I do, just because it gives them more leeway. I mean, especially with like a player like Hollow, but it's okay. What's the best looking chart so far? HK looks the best for me. For my kind of setup, SYRA is absolutely insanely volatile. This thing could probably go to like $50 today. Wimmy looks good. SXTC needs to hold. Let me get rid of this. We have this trend line here. MLGO, this is under $1, so I'm not really interested in this, to be honest. Bets is looking good as well. CCTG, remove this. This is coming into demand zone. Okay, CCTG. So this is another one setting up. So Discord guys, you know what you need to look for with this, right? So although we're in the demand zone, we need to wait for a couple of confluences. When we get those confluences, then we can enter, right? Just because in the demand zone doesn't mean we enter. You guys know what we need to do. ADVM and Hollow. All right, Hollow's gonna probably do a madness. Just be careful with that play. All right, guys. I'm going to head into the Discord. Members, I see we have some people that joined. We had a couple new members. Welcome, welcome. And I will send out the live train link in 10 minutes. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in there. Thanks for joining, guys. I appreciate it. Also, welcome new people, new followers. Thank you very much for supporting me on Twitter. One thing to note before I leave, please, can you do me a favor when you take my setups, or if you do take my setups on Twitter, please ensure that you have a stop loss, okay? The stocks that I post on Twitter, I expect the price to go up, right? I'm not going to put a chart that I expect the price to go down. But with that being said, if you enter the trade, please have a maximum 5% stop loss. Do not fool poor plays. Do not be stupid, right? You have to manage your risk. Okay, there's only so much I can do for you guys, but please manage your risk. Just cut your losses at 5% and move on to another setup or chart, whatever you decide. But don't hold plays and bag hold, because that's where you get caught out. All right, so I'll catch you guys. I'll catch members in the Discord. Yeah, live train link will be sent out in 10 minutes. I'll see you guys then. Thanks, guys, for joining. Before you leave, if you can do me a favor and like the stream, I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out. Cheers, Hardy bro. Bye-bye.